Understanding Amartya Sen's critique of utility. Hey everyone! Let's dive into Amartya Sen's ideas about well-being in a way that even a 10-year-old can understand. Imagine sharing candy with friends. Some have lots, while others have little. Getting a few more candies might make one friend really happy, but not so much for another who already has a lot. This is where Sen's ideas come in. Sen believes that just feeling happy or satisfied doesn't show how well off someone really is. Even if someone is happy with small things, it doesn't mean they're doing well overall. For example, finding a few coins might make someone happy, but it doesn't mean they have enough for food and shelter every day. So Sen says we need to think about more than just happiness when we talk about how well off someone is. We need to consider things like opportunities, freedom, and fairness to truly understand their well-being. It's about looking at the